Imagine you are already using Azure Data Factory, ADLS, Synapse and Power BI. Everything works. Your data is flowing, reports are being generated and users are happy. Then suddenly Microsoft announces Fabric. The first reaction for many engineers was, wait, don't we already have all these services? Was it just a rebranding or did it actually solve a real problem? In this video, let's understand the big picture in just 5 minutes. Let's look at how we used to build data platforms before Fabric. Data comes from various sources. Azure Data Factory moves and transforms it. ADLS Gen2 stores it. Synapse processes and analyzes it. And Power BI creates dashboards for business users. This architecture is powerful, but did you notice something? Every box is a different Azure service. Each one has its own billing, security, permissions, monitoring, and configurations. So instead of focusing only on your data, you are also spending time connecting and managing multiple services. That's the problem Microsoft wanted to solve. Now imagine replacing that entire Azure architecture with just one platform. That's exactly what Microsoft Fabric does. Instead of jumping between Azure Data Factory, ADLS, Synapse and Power BI, everything is available inside a single Fabric workspace. Whether you are building pipelines, writing notebooks, creating a data warehouse or designing Power BI reports, you are working in the same environment. And all of these workloads share the same storage that is called the OneLake. And that is why Microsoft calls Fabric a unified analytics platform. Let's understand this with a simple analogy. Imagine you are building a house. The kitchen is in one building, the bedroom is somewhere else, and the bathroom is in another building. Technically, everything works, but every time you need something, you have to walk from one building to another. And that's exactly how traditional Azure Analytics felt. Different services working together, but each managed separately. Microsoft Fabric is like building one smart house where everything is under the same roof, connected and designed to work together. As engineers, we often focus on writing pipelines and notebooks, but as an architect, I think differently. Every additional service means another identity to manage, another permission to configure, another integration to monitor, and another cost to track. Fabric removes much of that complexity by bringing everything under one platform. Fewer moving parts means simpler architectures, easier maintenance, and faster project delivery. Now, a common interview question from this topic is, why was Microsoft Fabric introduced? The answer to this question is, Microsoft Fabric unifies Microsoft's analytics services into a single SaaS platform with shared storage, governance, and compute, which reduce operational complexity and improving collaboration. And finally, if you remember just one thing from this video, then remember this. Microsoft Fabric isn't about adding another Azure service. It's about bringing all your analytics services together into one unified platform. And that's the big picture. Thank you.